Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Mazda 3 Grand Touring. And that engine is running smooth, so I'm going to go and close this up and take it for a tour. Alright, you see it does have fog lights up front. Alloy wheels. And sunroof. Your trunk has a spare tire under there. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See that it has black leather seats, kind of burgundy leather inserts in the doors. Here's the VIN right here, and I will upload still photos as well. See that it does have a Bose sound system. Look right here, it has 40,661 miles on this vehicle. And then there's your heads-up display. There's your stereo controls, your cruise controls, your push button start is right here. Then you got heated seats in the front. And as you come down, you have your other comfort controls here, your shifter, sport mode, and then this controls your infotainment center. You see that it does have navigation. Your communications, your entertainment, which just has AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, USB. Then you have your other applications. So, very cool. If you want to see the backup camera, you pop it in reverse. There we go. And then you have your glove compartment, your map reading lights, super easy to use. You got your sunglasses holder and your sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this Mazda 3 on the interior. It is the Grand Touring, as I mentioned. It's an alternate ending for that Mazda 3 Grand Touring. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here in the passenger front quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.